Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and we just finished unboxing the latest folding phone from Google. I can link to that video down below in case you missed it, but in this video, we're gonna take a look at their latest Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL. Yes, it comes in two sizes. I will also be unboxing the Pixel 11 and Pixel Watch 5, so be sure to subscribe so you're notified when those videos go live. But in this video, we're actually gonna compare the two, just talk about what the differences are between them, and then of course, check out what comes in the box, get some hands-on, check out the latest flagship phones from Google. Let's get started. And here they are, the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL in olive and canyon. I think two of my favorite colors. Anyways, let's get to it. Should be the exact same things in both boxes. You do get a getting started guide. You have your phone plus a USB Type-C to Type-C cable for charging. As expected, same unboxing experience with the XL. You no longer need a physical SIM card. These phones only use eSIM. Peeling this off. And here they both are, the matte coloring on the back. Anyways, I'm gonna boot both of these up, and while they turn on, we're gonna take a closer look at the hardware. Down at the bottom is where your speaker, USB Type-C port, and microphone is. Along the right side, you've got your volume rockers, power button. I am lining up the bottoms of these phones so you can get an idea of the size difference. There is their signature camera bar on the back. Up towards the top, you've got another microphone, and absolutely nothing on the left side. You do have gloss surrounding the phone in the matte back. It gives it a unique finish. Close-up of the two colors, you do have the Google logo, and there is your camera system, same on both. A triple camera setup with a new 50 megapixel wide angle lens. Nice to have a new hardware sensor there. You have a 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a new 48 megapixel telephoto lens, up to 10 times optical quality and up to 120 times zoom. And by the way, this isn't just their LED flash for the camera. This is what they call highlight, and it will actually light up different colors. We'll check that out. Anyways, I'm gonna run through the startup process, talk about anything that's noteworthy. Both have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now, I just wanna kind of see if they're in the exact same place. So yeah, they are. You can add more if you'd like. You also can set up face unlock. Next, we have some pixel magic. So you'll see Gemini, the personal assistant on your device, what it can do. Understands your screen. It can be a little proactive with messages and pixel screenshots as well. Car crash detection and pixel satellite SOS. Also quick share, which does work with iPhones and Android phones. And just a lot more really useful features. So definitely check all of these out. All right, we are all set up and ready to go on the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL. Let's talk about the differences. Obviously, screen size differences, 6.3 inches on the Pro, and the Pro XL is 6.8 inches. Both are OLED panels, plus you get 1 to 120 hertz refresh rates on the display for smoothness. With the screen size difference, you're gonna have different screen resolution. You've got 2856 by 1280 on the Pixel 11 Pro, and then 2992 by 1344 on the XL. Really nice, both phones offer the ability to bump down the screen resolution in case you want to save some battery life. And 3600 nits peak brightness on both phones. All right, we gotta check out this highlight feature. One way it will activate is via Gemini, whether with your voice or power button. What's the weather like right now? And you'll see it changes and moves while it thinks, and while it responds, it sort of blinks, so you get a visual, confirmation of a response. I'm holding it against a cloth because this works when it's face down, which makes sense. You don't need, when you look at the screen, you don't need a light lighting up on the back. You can also set custom colors for your favorite contacts. So you've got green, yellow, pink, purple, and white. This is great to help you stay present, so to speak, because with it face down, you know exactly who's calling. With different size and weight, you get different battery sizes. The Pixel 11 Pro has a 4850 milliamp hour battery and a 5115 milliamp hour battery on the XL. So I would expect XL to have more battery life, but I'll need to do testing. The charging speeds are different. The XL up to 45 watts and the base at 30 watts. Thankfully, Google is sticking with their Pixel Snap, which are the magnets inside the phone, so you can use those magnetic accessories, whether it's battery packs or a lot more Really happy about this. Google's just about the only one doing it. Quick look at some camera features, including that 120 times pro zoom. And speaking of, we are out in New York. Here is 10x. Here's going to 30x. All the way to 120. There's a little viewfinder in the upper left corner, but this is very far zoom, honestly. So if anyone can let me know what this gold-topped building is, I will heart their comment. Like the entire lineup, you get their new Tensor G6 chipset made by Google. A feature that I got to try is called Magic Capture. It's pretty cool. You just sort of take a video and it uses AI to pull out all the best shots. And Creator Suite, which I'm going to find really useful when filming yourself. It is a teleprompter that you can fully customize, and it listens to you talking and will speed up and slow down. Check this out. All right, here behind me is the Magic Capture demo space. Magic Capture is a brand new mode in Pixel camera that lets you frame the moment, then live in it. You can stay present knowing of both video and high quality photos. See how it's matching my pace? That is so cool.
Is it working?
Yeah, it did. It did. Anyways, that's it for me for now on the Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know which color you're going to go with, and if you want the regular or the XL. A lot more videos coming soon, so be sure to click that subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching.